Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Neth and welcome back to our General Math tutorials. I'm pretty sure you have experienced at least once in your life wherein you borrowed something like a pen from your classmate or a pad paper. Borrowing is part of society's dynamics. It keeps us observing social responsibility, and borrowing extends to borrowing of money. Especially if we are not well off, at one point in your life, you will experience needing financial assistance for a personal or other purpose. So one important lesson you have to learn in business math is borrowing of money. This lesson is entitled Business and Consumer Loans. Let us first define some important terms. A loan is a financial obligation to pay someone a specific amount of money in exchange for the usage of their money. There are two different kinds of loans. These are business loans and consumer loans. A business loan is money that is lent particularly for the purpose of running a business. It can be used to launch a business or expand an existing one. Microloans, invoice financing, mezzanine financing, bank loans, asset-based financing, cash flow loans, and business cash advances are all examples of business loans. Meanwhile, a consumer loan is the amount of money a person borrows for own or family needs. Credit cards, mortgages, home equity lines of credit, refinances, auto loans, student loans, and personal loans are examples of consumer loans. Collateral is a piece of property used to secure a loan. It could be in the form of real estate or other investments. The term of the loan refers to the amount of time it will take to pay off the full debt or loan. A guarantor is someone who promises to pay for another person's loan if the borrower fails to pay. To differentiate clearly the two kinds of loans, consider the table below, or the table beside me. In terms of collateral, in a business loan, it's possible that you will need to put up some real estate, other investment, equipment, fixtures, or furniture. On the other hand, if it is a consumer loan, a collateral may also be required. Another difference, a business loan makes the owner of the business sign as a guarantor. However, a guarantor is not generally required in a consumer loan. Third, when we talk about documents, in a business loan, the borrower must provide a credit report, income tax return, and a financial statement for the company. While in a consumer loan, the lendee or borrower may be requested to provide a credit report, bank statements, and a tax return. A certificate of employment and employee pay slips will be submitted if he or she is employed. About the term of the loan, a business loan has a shorter term compared to that of a consumer loan. Meanwhile, a business loan has a higher interest rate compared to a consumer loan. At this point, let us have some examples. Example 1. A newlywed couple wanted to open a small sushi business. They have agreed to apply for a loan. Which loan should they apply for? A business loan or a consumer loan? The answer, the couple should apply for a business loan since they intend to open a business out of the money they will borrow. Example 2. Melly has a part-time job. 3 hours every day, she works as an online teacher. After some time, her laptop becomes defective. She plans to apply for a loan to buy a new laptop which she cannot pay in full instantly. What kind of loan is applicable in this case? Answer: Melly should apply for a consumer loan, since the laptop is for her personal use. Example 3. RM Go wants to put up a third branch of their laundry hub in the city proper. They want to borrow money for them to buy more washing machines for the new hub. What kind of loan applies for this? Answer: It's business loan since it's for their business. Example 4. Miss Wena realizes how further teaching and learning can go if the learners will have access to internet and available gadgets. In the name of learning continuity, she decides to loan money. Answer: It's a consumer loan since she intends to use the money not for business but for public service. Example 5. Dr. Mary is determined to spend more time treating people with ailments. Aside from being a resident doctor in her hometown, she plans to spend 2 days a week in a hospital 100 miles away from home. The situation obliges her to apply for a car loan. What kind of loan is it? Answer: It's a consumer loan since it's for a personal purpose and not for a business. I guess you can now illustrate a business loan and consumer loan and distinguish each from the other. Until next time!